Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2006 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. Look at the circuit diagram. The point P in the following figure is stuck at 1. Then the output F will be. The point P in the following figure is stuck at 1. What is meant by stuck at 1? Stuck at 1 is nothing but the point P is nothing but over here. This is the point P which is stuck at 1. It is indicated as SA1. Stuck at 1 is nothing but this node is accidentally connected to power supply VCC. So that VCC is nothing but plus 5 volts, generally we will use. So that is nothing but logic 1. So accidentally that node P is going to be connected to VCC. That's why it always act as logic 1. That is nothing but it is stuck at logic 1. So this type of fault is going to be called as stuck at 1 fault. So it was given that one node P is stuck at 1. So P is always taken as logic 1 in this case, irrespective of inputs for this gate. Okay, the output is always stuck at 1. So even though the inputs varies, output will not change, it will be always 1, it will be stuck at that 1. That's why it is called as stuck at 1. Now if P is equal to 1, what will be the output expression F? That we are going to find. P is equal to 1 and this is 2 input NAND gate and both the inputs are tied together. By that time it simply acts as inverter gate. So for inverter the output will be 0, and whenever the output is 0, that output is connected as input of one of the gates of this NAND gate. For this NAND gate, one of the input is 0, so output will be 1 according to its truth table. Output is 1, one of the input is 0. 0 into something, because it is NAND operation. NAND operation is nothing but AND followed by inversion. So AND is nothing but 0 into something, logical multiplication 0. After that inversion 0 bar 1. So irrespective of other inputs, the output will be 1 whenever at least one of the input for NAND gate is 0. Now this 1 will appear over here. So again this is a NAND gate. Okay, NAND gate is nothing but first multiplication, logical multiplication, later inversion. So A into 1, A, inversion A bar. So output at this point what you are going to get is nothing but A bar. And now both the inputs of this NAND gate is going to be shorted together, so it acts as NOT gate or inverter. By that time F will be A whole double bar, that implies nothing but A. So the value of F is equal to A. Value of F is equal to A you will get whenever the P node is stuck at 1. Okay, P node is stuck at 1 whenever at that time F value, output value will be always A irrespective of B and C values. So the right answer for this one is nothing but D. Right answer is D for this one. Thank you.